I'm sure you've heard the news. Relative pronouns are the secret sauce to making sentences sing. Ready to unlock their power? Right, so relative pronouns like which, that, who, and whom are your best friends when it comes to adding extra info to a sentence. Imagine you want to talk about a book. You could say, I read a book. Simple, right? But if you add a relative pronoun, it gets more interesting. I read a book that changed my life. See the difference? Who and whom work great with people. For example, the teacher who inspires me is great, or the student whom everyone likes won an award. Which and that can be used for things. The car, which is red, is fast, or the car that is red is fast. Both are correct, but which usually adds non-essential info, while that adds essential info. So, next time you write or speak, sprinkle in some relative pronouns and watch your sentences come alive. Happy learning!